This is the test. I have a RPM meter for the red color. Yellow color is a watt meter. This blue color is amp reading. It's 7.82 milliamp now. And I have attached 12 LED in series with 4 parallel on it. So today we will try to do some tests on it with the load and see what happens. Let's start with 12 LED now. This is the current reading, and I'm changing it to 11 LED. Sorry, having me now cannot talk properly, and that is stabilizing because the cat are recharging it with charging from the generator. I think it's stable now, and check it out the RPM. I think it's heart rate now. It's about 607. Maybe I tune it up a bit for a better view. Should be better now. Oh, my lights block it right about now. Go from blocking, maybe until this way. Should be the same. Alright, better now. I put points on it. I think I need better now. Maybe the watt meter reading distracted, right? Most important should be enough. Okay. Better enough. So higher. Yeah, should be this high. I need more higher. Yeah, put it higher. I think it's better now. Is it stable? It's about stable, up and down. And I think there's a reading. No, it's going up. The RPM is going up and down, up and down. Or going down? Yeah, it's going down. 604. Still going down. And up again. Yeah, it's 604 now. 605. Going up around that. Should be around that. Yeah, go up and down. Should be around that. It won't be constant. It's just a plus minus 1 RPM. And just go on and on the 10 LED. Alright. Yeah, this is the room temperature now. My room temperature 28 degrees. Do we have RPM drop here? Very obvious, right? 572. So on the wattmeter drop too, and the amp is 24 milliamp now. Should be around that. This is a China machine. This meter is from China. I'm not saying it's not good or what, but there's some different here when I test it. Just point something, 0.2 difference. I think should be stable now. It's 570. Yeah, 570 and was 572 around that. Going up, going down, going up and going down. Should be around that. Okay. So I think we should proceed on the 9 LED. Alright, let's check. I think the RPM has dropped, right? It's 533 now, 32, and still dropping. Okay, let's go up again. I think the M reading has gone up, right? Never mind. We'll still continue it. Hopefully it won't burn my LED. Wow. You can see my LED is quite bright now, and it's taking 48, 47 amps, dropping a bit, and my RPM goes down by 490, around that, should be around that, and the voltage is now is 19.84. Sorry, I still have my flu for 3 days, almost 3 days. Yeah, I think it's stable now, and we change it to less LED. Let's check it. RPM is it stable now? Not yet, right? Should be around. Yeah, around that 437, 438, more or less. The voltage quite stable, right? 17.29 without any drop. Very obvious drop, just milliwatts, I think, few milliwatts. And the amps reading quite high now. The amp is quite high now, 57, 54.76, around that, jumping around that. Oh, my RPM meter is off. think that one, right? Okay. Let's take this as a reference and we move on to the 6 LED. How is it? Wow. My M reading is quite high now, right? And my watt reading is now 14 or something. Should be around that. We don't have a very obvious drop in wattage, right? But as you can see now, the RPM dropped to 384 now. And the M reading is 67, 66, maybe there, jumping around. But my light is not blinking. I think it's quite stable and acceptable, right? I should move to next stage by now. Let's see what happening now, right? Do you hear that? My generator is slowing down as compared before from the beginning. Alright, I think it's quite stable now again. 325, 26 for the RPM. The wattage now is 11, might be 12, should be 11.9 something. And my M reading now is 77, quite high. But don't worry, this LED I think it can take up to about 1 amp, so should be no problem for that. I just worried my wattage, the spike of the wattage will burn my LED. I have burned a lot of them. I think I should move on to next stage. Oh, turning off, sorry. You'll be turning off. Let's try to refresh. See if it will auto turn off or not. Turning off. I heard the sound, the alarm of the sound. But never mind, maybe. Now the RPM reading is 265. Wattage now is 9.1 or 2, around that, still dropping. And the M reading now is 84. Let's wait for a while. Maybe there's a changes. I think no. Should be like that. Should be maintained. Yeah, it's maintained. You can check the RPM. Okay, let's move on to 2 LED only. Oh, 100 now, but it's okay. Just wait for a while. Let it be. 199, around 200 RPM, giving me 6 watt and drawing 92 amps right now for light up 8 LED in total, both with series and parallel. Okay, now we will move to a single LED with 4 connections in parallel. Wow, it's burning. I know that. You saw that? This light got blue. I hope it's recorded. I think I have another broken or malfunction LED for that. But never mind, I will change it later. Don't worry. Okay, let's check out the RPM. The RPM right now is 129. Still decrease, increase. Should be around that. Yeah, around that. And the wattage is 3.3. The amp reading is quite not stable, right? About 100, 110, jumping around there. Okay, that is the test for this time. And before to end this, let me show up the generator I'm using. I'm just using a fan, blowing this fan blade to turn my turbine. I think not turbine, sorry. It's a slide wheel. Quite slow now because I'm using single LED, right? But there is a fun part here. You can see the RPM drop very obviously, and it's very slow. And before end again, let's try it with number 2, right? Number 2. Before that I'm doing number 3. Now I switch it to number 1. Do we have different? Let's check it out here. Yeah, we do have some different, right? The amp reading, if not mistaken, just now is 100 amps, right? 110, 100 and something. How about the RPM? Hundreds. Let's try with level 1. How about that? Yeah, dropped by half. The amp reading dropped by half. And the RPM 98. And you can see my light is blinking. Not very obvious, slightly I think. Or you can check out my chair. Is it blinking? Yeah, you might think, or you might wonder why I put a LED here. Because without this light, you hardly read this reading just now. Yes, this is an independent one. Don't worry, I'm not cheating or what. Okay, thank you for watching.